making one of the easiest meals ever, and it's only 5 ingredients, and it is chicken noodle soup. It is perfect for being quarantined on a cold day, afternoon. And the ingredients are egg noodles, organic chicken broth, chicken, carrots, and celery. Let's get started. Alright, so here are our 5 ingredients. Egg noodles, organic chicken broth, carrots, chicken. I got this rotisserie chicken from Sam's for $5 and just took it off the bone. I'm only going to use half this package. And then celery. I'm not including seasonings like salt and pepper or water, and we'll probably add some water. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is open your chicken broth, and then you're going to pour it into your bowl. Now, like I said, the recipe will be on our website at greattogether.com. I'm only making this for 2 people, but it can easily be doubled or tripled if you want leftovers, or if you just have a big family you want to feed, but I'm just making it for 2 people. Alright, so I've washed and peeled my carrots, and I've washed my celery, and now we're going to cut. We're just going to cut them into bite-sized pieces, but we're definitely going to trim off the ends here. Now we're going to chop the celery. Also, if you hand deboned the rotisserie chicken like I did, there's probably some weird bigger pieces, so I'm just going to take this and just do a rough chop to make sure I get just nice bite-sized pieces. Alright, once your liquid is boiling, we're going to add the carrots and the celery. Use the carrots, going in, and we have the celery going in. Now bring this back up to a boil. Cook for about 15 minutes or until veggies are fork tender. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes and our veggies are nice and tender in the pot. See? Now we're gonna add the chicken. Gonna just go ahead and pop that in there. Alright, this is looking like a thick soup. I might add a cup of water too because it looks like some of the liquid evaporated. Alright, so here's 1 cup of water. And now we're going to add in the noodles and cook for 10 minutes. I'm using just these egg noodles, but if you want to use something different like the frozen noodles, that's what my mom uses. Just cook it according to package directions inside the broth. So if it says to boil in water for 10 minutes, just leave it in the broth for 10 minutes. Alright, this is a 12-ounce canister, package of noodles, so I'm gonna just add half. Alright, so it was about half, so I'm just gonna kind of stir these in here. And just like that, dinner is ready.